I've been waiting a very long time to do this, and I'm very excited to finally get in an M4 GT4 race car. Today's going to be awesome. Absolutely love the M2. It's a beautiful day here at the Thermal Club. I just love this place. I've been here so many times, but it's still so amazing to be here. Love the little track, love all the different configurations. We just did an autocross to get warmed up, and now we're going to jump in some M4s, head over to the big track to get up to speed and learn the South Palm again.
Past the 6, braking at the 5. You'll realize this one we probably can work our way into braking past the 5 board, if not closer to the 4. But the 5 you can go ahead and assume is always a good, confident place to be able to attack the brake and be able to comfortably get slowed down before the corner, regardless of what car you're in.
Just be nice and focused, as smooth as you can, and nice and consistent.
So we've had our morning warm-up, so now it's on to our second session of the day, which is in M4s on the South Palm circuit. That's right.
All right, we'll just roll to a comfortable pace, nothing crazy here.
We'll then accelerate down the front straight. We'll be full throttle once the steering wheel is straight here down the front straight. And you will notice the number boards on this straightaway as well. The trail off the brake as you enter the corner. Really feel that as you release brake pedal, the same steering input begins to manifest as more turn-in because you're trading braking grip for steering grip. And a great part of the track to really demonstrate the nature of what trail braking is all about. We're on the back straight, so go ahead and wait for my signal. And you're going to go just over to 2. There you go.
We just finished lunch, and now it's time for a timed autocross to get us back up to speed and out on track later on in the M4 GT4. Hopefully I can win this one.
Go ahead, Michael.
Looks like I have some competition this time. Michael's quick. Gonna have to give it my all. Really focus.
25.376. 25.376. Very good. Go ahead, Nate. with that left-hander, and in the stop box you can beat us in kick later as well.
Yep. So for the first time in quite a while, I've been beating the autocross. I'm quite upset about that. But I didn't come here to autocross, I came here to drive the M4 GT4. So out of my mind and on to the next thing. Even though it was by just a little bit over 1/10 of a second. Yeah, this is about to happen. It's gonna be awesome. Okay. Make sure steering wheel's right. Pedal box. That's pretty good for the pedal box.
Try your radios just so I can hear you. Push the radio button.
Radio test, radio test.
Yep. Loud and clear.
Oh, baby, yeah! Breathe deep, have fun. This is what I've been wanting for a very long time. Okay, slick tires cold are very slippery. Tires all warmed up. Car feels really agile, responsive to everything I put into it. This is going to be a lot of fun. We do have AC in here. Ah, AC. Ooh. So the AC is blowing through these pipes and it's blowing right onto my back. Looks like I have another vent right here. Feels good. It blows super cold. So that feels good. Oh, the sound is so good. So much better than the regular M4. amazing session. So much fun.
Yeah. You guys are wheeling it.
Feels great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So much fun. Holy crap, that was amazing. I could sit in that M4 GT4 all day and drive around the track. So, hey, Will Turner, give me a call. Let's make this happen, because I want to do that more often. So much fun. So huge thanks to BMW Blog and the BMW Performance Driving Center for allowing me to get behind the wheel. And hopefully I can come back and we can do it again sometime soon. Like, subscribe, hit that bell if you want, because I may be doing this more often.